Hey there, welcome back to another Sunday range day. Are you having deja vu yet? Yes, we've done this rifle, but I had a few comments in the that video for past video so on about stretching the distance with this rifle. It shot so good at 35 yards. I don't remember what we shot it at last time, but we have a target way out there at 50 yards. It's halfway distance between those 100-yard targets and there. So we're going to take a few shots at 50 yards and see what we get. We'll probably try a couple different types of ammo, nothing over the top, but because we got a lot of walking ahead of us, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. What we're going to do is, if I don't know if you can see that from here, Miss Wayne, but you've got two targets out there, one above the other on that whiteboard, the orange circles. We'll take a 10-round group with one type and then 10 rounds with a different type, and then we'll walk out there. Right now, that board is absolutely clear. There's nothing on it. So, yeah, we'll get loaded up and be right back. Okay, we've got 10 rounds of the regular old dump box auto match. We're going to put them into the top target out there. On that whiteboard at 50 yards, you have two orange circles. We'll put them into the top circle. The Winchester 94-22. And how about we take the scope caps off and then we'll send them. It's interesting to see what just a regular old dump box round will do. Should have counted my shots. Okay, that's clear. Let's go check it out. Okay, we've made the trek, and there you have it. 10 rounds of Federal auto match. Now we've got another type I want to try today, and we'll see what it does to the bottom. Okay, this go around, we've got 10 rounds of the Federal golden medal target rounds. Now, these are some newer ones that I found here locally at my local gun shop, and I don't know a lot about them. I used some of these back in the day, and the box was made a bit different than these. So I'm kind of hoping they've improved them, to be honest, because what I had before wasn't that great, but maybe it was the gun I was shooting them in too. But okay, let's send these 10 at the bottom target, and then we'll check it out from 50 yards. They're quite a bit quieter, ain't they? And the rifle is clear. Let's go check out the target. Okay, Those are quite a bit quieter. I kind of expected them to fall down a little. Still a good group, tighter group on the 10 round count than the Federal Auto Match was. So, yeah, that is a good grouping out of that 9422 for sure. I've got another target here. We'll try a regular, like a mini mag, something a little more powerful than that. And while we're out here at 50, we'll set up some vegetarian vegetable soup. And yeah, but we will try this clean target first. I'll put 10 rounds of the mini mag in that, and then we'll go for the soup can. And okay, we've got 10 rounds of the mini mag, and these are hollow points. I thought I brought solids. I was wrong, but whatever. We'll try those at the target. We're going to put 10 into the target, and we'll pause for a second and see if we can hit the soup can there. So here we go, 10 in the target. More powerful of a bullet ought to put us in the black, hopefully. That elevation up, you know. Okay. Now we're going to load up one here and see if we can take that soup can down. One round, one shot. See if we can do it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wow. I seen that through the scope. Wow. Okay.
I seen that and I didn't even look into the scope.
Awesome. All right, we're clear now. The rifle is safe. And let's go down and check out what we've done. All right, better group. Hey, look there. Wait, look at the target.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
We put 10 into the target. An exceptional grouping. Bullseye.
Cookie shot.
Cookie shot. Cookie. Yeah, let's check out the carnage on this can here. Oh, yeah, that did it. Good shot, too. Dead center. Front.
Split it right down the middle.
Back. Wow. And the top's gone to the can, too. Okay, that did pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Okay, there we have it. That was a little fun. I don't mind the revisits that much. Sometimes they could be pretty interesting. And yeah, good grouping. The best group I think we had was with that newer gold medal, that Federal, to the point. It's target round, a little underpowered. It had to be sighted in if I wanted to stick to that one type. But I like being able to shoot different stuff. But that mini mag, though, that did it for that distance. That gave it enough lift and power to get back into that bullseye area at 50 yards. So we figured that part out. Who knows? We might visit it one day at 100 yards. You never know. And for right now, on the purposes of this video and handling this rifle, it is clear again. There's nothing in it. Nothing in the chamber, magazine, it's all clear. You gotta love a 94-22. They never disappoint. This one has been exceptionally accurate. And yeah, beautiful stocks on this one. And the engraving, the inlay, and the
got a glare on it. I'm trying to get it close.
hound dog. There you go.
There you go.
Little hound dog on one side, and I think the other side. Let's flip it over. You've got a raccoon. Beautiful rifle. Cut checkers. About count the age on the tree of the stock. Get beyond the glare. But yeah, big shout out to my grandfather on this one. This was one of his favorites, and it lives on through me now, I guess. So we hope y'all have enjoyed that. It's been a little something different for us today to revisit this. We'll come back, maybe come back again and try it at 100. Who knows? If y'all want us to push the envelope at 100 yards with this, just leave us a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to accommodate. So thanks for watching. We'll give you a few pictures at the end, and take care, guys. Nothing but love.